Steel fiber reinforced sustainable composite hollow brick. The soil is spread evenly on the ground, ensuring that there are no gravel and stone particles in it. After that, the rice husk ash is spread on the top of the prevailing soil in accordance to the proportion. Next, the fly ash is spread according to the proportion. Next, the sawdust is added in accordance to the proportion. Now, the materials are placed and dried mixed with hand, ensuring uniform and homogeneous mix. The proportion 1:2:5:5 of additives are as follows: steel fibers 5%, sawdust 10%, rice husk ash 25%, and fly ash 25%. Moderate amount of water is mixed so as to obtain the right consistency for molding. The mass is then mixed uniformly with spades so that perfectly homogeneous mix with the required consistency is obtained. After mixing with spades, steel fibers are added in the wet mix and mixed thoroughly. Now the wet mix is kneaded and placed in the mold with certain force to ensure that the mix is properly compacted with no air voids and the wet mix takes the shape of the mold. Once the mix is settled into the mold and taken the shape of the mold itself, the molder then presses the earth properly in the corners of the mold with his thumb. The mold is placed on the clean and level surface and then lifted gradually, leaving the brick on the ground and left it to dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the dried bricks are stacked and then sent to the kiln. In this stage, the bricks will be baked at 1100 Celsius. After 36 hours, the baked bricks are removed from the kiln and kept aside for cooling, after which the final product is ready. We claim that our product conserves energy requirement. Hollow bricks can reduce the use of cooling and heating devices as per the seasonal requirements due to their thermal insulation property. This reduces energy consumption, thus saving the resources and your investment. We claim that our product has thermal and sound insulation properties as the air present in the hollow area of these bricks make them thermal insulators. It keeps the interior cool in summer and warm in winter, especially the clay hollow bricks. They also provide more sound insulation as compared to solid bricks. We claim that our product exhibits great compressive strength due to careful reinforcement of steel fibers into the mix. We claim that our product has less transportation costs, operational costs, and low maintenance. Hollow bricks are much lighter compared to solid bricks. This brings down the overall structural cost and transportation costs. Masons can work faster and thereby cutting man hours, further reducing labor costs. Low maintenance costs due to little or no efflorescence on the surface of hollow bricks as against solid bricks. We claim that our product has time-saving operational attributes. As these bricks are much lighter in weight than the solid bricks, the ease of working with them promotes faster construction and early completion of the project. We claim that our product reduces dead load acting on the structure as the hollow brick is 30% lighter than the volumetric alike of standard bricks. Thus, hollow bricks will reduce the amount of dead load for buildings and thus structural costs will be cut down. We claim that our product makes electrical and plumbing installation easier and faster, as the presence of hollow space makes it easier to pass the electrical and plumbing fixtures as compared to solid bricks where you need to chisel, adding to the labor, damage and cost. We claim that our product utilizes recyclable construction material. Hollow bricks are manufactured by recycled waste and materials such as sawdust, steel fibers, rice husk, and fly ash. They are rated by the Green Building Council of India. We claim that our product replaces sand with materials such as sawdust, steel fibers, rice husk, and fly ash for the mix, as natural sand from fragile rivers, beaches, and sea floor is mined. We claim that our product shows minimal water absorption. Our fellow patenters are Gaurav Gyanendra Mishra, Akash Surendra Yadav, Pankaj Kishore Mahale, Dr. Shilpa Pankaj Kewate, Prakash Dev Indradev Singh, Shwetang Vasant Meshram, Saloni Ashish Rangnekar, Devesh Jayesh Thakir, Sneha Satish Musale, Vedant Sandeep Sawant. Special thanks to Dr. Biplab Kumar Sarkar and Daksh Vasant Meshram.